Hello my people, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the collections in Lightroom. So what are collections? Collections are grouping of images from one or more folders without actually creating multiple copies of them. Now let's see how it works. The collections is located on the left hand side panel below the folder section. To create a new collection, click the plus sign here, and now you can create a new collection, create a smart collection and also a collection set. Now let's create a new collection. It is asking for a name. This collection is going to be best of all my travel shots. I will say best of travel. You can name it whatever you want. Here there are a few options. You can have this collection as a part of another collection set. So collection set is like a group of multiple collections, like a folder inside folder. So the collection set is the main folder under which you can have multiple sub collections. If you have any photo selected, you can tick it, so automatically that photo will be added to the collection which you're creating. And also you can set this collection as a target. By ticking this, you can easily add the photos into that collection. So I'm not doing any of this now, I'm just creating a new collection. When I click OK, the new collection is created and currently there are 0 photos. I'm clicking it, it shows no photos. Now let's see different ways to add to this collection. I will browse through the folders and I will select the best photos which I like and I will quickly add them to the collection. Let's start with Dubai. Let's say I like this. All I have to do is select the picture, drag and drop into my collection. As I keep dragging, you see the numbers increasing. Means there is already one photo in it now. Maybe I like this picture as well. I'm dragging and dropping into the collection. I'm going to my next folder. Here I say I like this ant picture into my collection. Maybe this little girl collection. Enter my Ladakh picture. I would like to add this picture into the collection. So now you get it. So you go to different folder and keep dragging and dropping them into the collection. Now when you go to the collection, now you could see all those pictures in one folder. You don't have to browse through multiple folders to get to this. You can easily come to the collection and view all the picture. You can tab and browse through them. I can select all this and export them as one. You can drag and drop multiple picture also into a collection. It keeps adding. Now there's even a quicker way. Instead of dragging and dropping, you can set this as a target collection. I'm right clicking on this collection and I'm enabling this as target collection. So once you do that, you get a plus sign around it, which means now anything which you select and you press the shortcut key, it will be added to that collection. Let's see how it works. Now I set this as a target collection. I'm selecting this photo. I'm not going to drag and drop this time. Now you see there are 7 photos. I'm just pressing my shortcut key on the keyboard B. It says photo added to target. Now you see the number of photo became 8. Now let me get into this folder and you see it's added here. Likewise, I can go to folder and select multiple images. Let's say I select 1, 2, 3 and I press B, added to target collection, and when I come here, see those pictures are already added here. So that's the shortcut way. Now let's see how the smart collections work. Using smart collections, you can tell Lightroom to search and filter out images based on the criteria which you provide. Now let's create a smart collections of all the 2-star rated images. Click the plus sign here, create smart collection. I'm going to label it as 2 stars. I don't want it under any collection set. And here is where you give the criteria. I want to match all the features what I'm giving here. So I want to have a rating of which is greater than or equal to 2 star. You see these dots here, that are stars. You can give 1 star, 2 star or 5 star, how much ever you want. And now I want to have all the images. Now I want Lightroom to filter out all the images which I am rating as 2 star. In combination with this, I can give multiple criteria also. Maybe 2 star, maybe it should having a flag as flagged. So whatever combination this criteria is matching, it's going to filter out those images. So for now we'll go with only one criteria, which is 2-star images. When I click create, as of now you see nothing happens. just the folder is created with the cogwheel there, and there are number of photos 0. Now to add to this, you don't have to drag and drop any images into this. All you have to do is you can go to any folder, as and when you click 2 star or more, and I click 2 star rating here, you see this number 1. I say this is 3 star, 2 photos will be added. I go to another folder, I would like to say this is 4 star. Now 3 images. So what this is doing is, it is searching through your entire catalog, this tutorial photos, entire catalog, all the images which you rated 2 star above, it's filtering it automatically for you. So you don't have to go each and every time to filter it out. See, I get to view all the star rated images at once. Now let's see the list of criteria available in filtering out smart collections. You can go to create smart collection. One is a rating. Either you can pick the star rating, or you can pick the flag or color labels. There are so many criteria you can give, and best is you can give a combination. Now instead of selecting the entire catalog, let's create a collection only for our Ladakh. For our Ladakh trip, let's create a collection. So source, I'll tell folder, and not necessarily I should give the entire name. Maybe I have 2-3 folders of Ladakh. I want them to search only those Ladakh folder. Maybe it's to Ladakh 2017, 2018. So different Ladakh folders there. Different Ladakh folder is there. I can say folder which contains Ladakh. So if this spelling is same for all the folders, it's going to search through all the folders, and from there I want to have a rating which is 1 star above. So I click create. Oh, I didn't give a name for it. Let's rename it. I'll double click here. I will tell Ladakh 1 star. Click here. As of now, there's no photos. As soon as I go into a Ladakh folder, I start labeling. I click 1 star for this. You see the number start increasing. For this I give 3 star. So it's searching only the Ladakh folder, and it is bringing up this result for me. Now let's see a collection set. Collection set is like a grouping of different collections. Let's create a collection set 1. I created. Now under this collection set, I can drag and drop my different collection into it. The advantage is when I click the collection set, it's going to show you all the sub collections folders. I can individually go and see one by one. We can have a collection set inside another collection set as well. I create another collection set. I call it master collections. This is same like the way how you manage your folders in your Macintosh. Another advantage of using collection is for mobile syncing. Once you go here to your nameplate and you see sync with Lightroom. This is a cloud-based Lightroom application. You have to click start, and then you will be enabling your mobile syncing. Once that is enabled, you will be getting a small icon over here. Once you click it, all the photos which are under that collection will be available on your Lightroom cloud service. Right now I am not enabling the cloud syncing because I have already another catalog synced to my Lightroom mobile. So at one time you can have only one Lightroom catalog sync to the mobile service. Another place where you can find the collection is while we import. During import itself, we can add the imported photos into collection. Once you tick it, it's gonna give you option. Again, the same features available. You can create a plus sign and create a new collection. Automatically you'll be creating a folder, as well as it will be going to the collection also. And collection is also available in your develop tab also. Once you're in develop tab, here also you can find the collection. So that's all for collection, guys. Thanks for all your love and support. Keep sharing if you like it, and feel free to follow and subscribe and click the bell button. Thanks a lot.